What you're watching right now is foil leafing, and look how light and thin, like it's almost like eating cotton candy. It's like so filled with nothingness and yet it makes such a big impact. So I use my hands as much as I can in my art because I believe touching is loving, and I love what I do. I love working on my paintings, and I am an incredibly tactile person. Are you a tactile person? Do you have to touch everything that you see? I was a little kid getting in trouble all the time for touching everything, because if it looks fascinating and interesting, I just want to touch it. So what's really cool also about this, let me show you what the foil leaf, okay, I love all forms of chaos. So this is even part of it. As I'm removing these thin sheets of paper, and again, it's so light and airy, and just applying the foil leaf everywhere. So this is interesting. There will be some paintings like this. Well, this one's not too bad. I will have some paintings that are so big with foil leafing that I'll start like getting sores on my fingertips. Like they start getting super sensitive. No legit blisters, but almost blisters. Cool, right?